I'm at Ward High Tech in Sheffield at their headquarters, a company that offers some of the most favourable terms when it comes to financing machine tools within the industry. A company that also offers dozens of machines from stock. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the Vesta 1000 Plus. So what is the Vesta 1000 Plus from Huachon? Well, it's a vertical machining centre. It's a precise, it's a fast, it's an accurate, and it's a reliable workhorse of a VMC. Now, they have these machines here in stock, and they're doing a buy now, pay 2023 deal on this particular model. But I want to pick out some of the reasons that you should be interested in this machine. And as you can see here, now this is a 1 metre by 550 vertical machining centre. It has a 12,000 RPM spindle on this machine. Some of the points that you need to know include some facts about this spindle. It actually is an air and oil lubricated spindle, which compared to maybe greased spindles will give you a longer life. It'll be more reliable, and there are certain elements to it which mean that if there is a lack of lubrication within the spindle, the operator will see that, and that means that you're protecting yourself against spindle failure. Now, it also has a dual speed ATC. Now, it basically means that you can select the speed that you want the tool changer to operate at. So if you're doing a production run, you may choose for it to change tools quickly. Or if you want to back off and you're not so fussed about the cycle time, then you can select the slower mode as well. Now, there are also things on this machine that really do give it the, as I mentioned at the start, the ability to produce precision components. One of which includes software like the HTLD, which is a Huachon Tool Load Detect System, which basically means that it can monitor the load on the tool as you're machining. Now, how often do machinists break tools during operations, and how catastrophic can that be, not just for the component, but for the life of the machine? Now, this is just one feature that this machine offers when it comes to the software, which is obviously crafted by Fanuc, but it's installed and tweaked and optimized by Huachon. So things like reducing tool wear, improving cycle times, all of these things are more than achievable thanks to the Huachon machine. A heavy-duty, reliable, precise machining centre now equipped with this 15-inch touch screen control. Now, the Vesta Plus 1000 is available here from stock with this 12,000 RPM spindle, with the features I've spoken about, as well as being very operator friendly from a load perspective. One feature that Richard pointed out to me, the coolant flood wash on this machine, the swarf extraction, the operator ergonomics are absolutely excellent. And this machine is very affordable thanks to Ward High Tech's favourable terms, as I mentioned at the start of this. You can buy this machine now and pay nothing till 2023. And not only that, if you've got a used machine, you want a part exchange as part of the deposit, they will consider that too. Contact Ward High Tech at their website, wardhightech.co.uk.